Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our third strategy for today, 3rd of June 2023. Here we're going to be trading the Volatility 10 index, digits differ, and we've logged into the deriv interface. So we're going to be working with the odd number sequences. So our first trade we're going to be placing 9-1. So our last prediction will be 9, then our tick will be 1. So we're going to click on differ right here. Sorry, our last prediction is 1 and the tick is 9. Sorry. Okay, you can see we won that trade right there. We won that trade. So our second trade will be 5. Our tick will be 5. Then our last prediction will be 3. Remember, we're using the odd numbers. So we're going to click on differ again. So as you can see, we won that trade. We won that trade right there. Then the last trade, we are going to be placing 3 trades. Our last trade will be 7. Our last trade will be 7. Then our tick will be 0. Our tick will be 0. So we are going to go for the 7, and our tick will be 0. Sorry, our tick will be 7. Then our last prediction will be 0. So our last prediction will be 0, then our tick will be 7. So we're going to click on differ again. So as you can see, we won that trade again. We won all the trades. We made about 6 point something dollars. So you have to wait for before we proceed again. You have to wait for few minutes before you place another trade. Don't just after the third trade, don't place any trade immediately. You have to wait for a few minutes, like 5 minutes, before you place another trade. So just follow these sequences before you place any of the trade. Remember the 537091, 537091. Those are these sequences you'll be following when using this strategy. And before we close, for round up, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, as a boat right there, to order the boats, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng and the PIPSREAPER boat, as well as the PIPSREAPER boat. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit primary PIPSREAPER.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Remember that all our boats now come with the free synthetic indices ebook and the free binary options automated trading boats as well. You get all this for free. You also get the free forex trading ebook, and you also get the free forex trading boat as well. Remember to subscribe to all our channels for more updates on all our strategies and all updates on our channels. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to all our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So subscribe to all our channels for more updates. And here are the links for the Forex ebook, the Forex broker platform, and all that. So thanks for watching. Bye.